Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over S, capital B over S plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So A multiplied by S plus 1. B multiplied by S. Next, we need to expand. And you go about AS plus A. So we have S and S. We can do about factorization. So now let's compare coefficient. We see that we just have only number 1. That means A is equal to number 1. We don't have S. That means A plus B equal to number 0. So we create the system of equations. So we got about A plus B equal to number 0, A equal to number 1. So you got about A is equal to number 1, B equal to negative number 1. So we put number 1 and negative number 1 go in here. So we have the integration. A equal to number 1, B equal to negative number 1. The integral of 1 over S, you got about ln of the absolute value of S. The integral of negative number 1 over S plus 1, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of S plus 1. And we put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.